Hi, everybody.
Hi,
I'm Christopher.
I'm Karen.
We're with CK Customs, PA, and Cricket Help Desk. We're your admins. Wanted to jump on here and share what we got today from Siser. So I actually entered a contest for their new patterned vinyls, and I won. And they sent me a package. We're going to open it up with you. I do know at least inside are patterned vinyls that they came out with. They're going to be in their long-running line of patterned vinyls.
Is there supposed to be like a fall theme to this or no?
No, but
Okay.
there might be some of the fall ones in here that they did for like October, Halloween. But like I said, I don't know what's in the box yet because we haven't opened it.
I tried. He wouldn't let me.
Yeah, I got super excited when I saw this coming in the mail. So, all right,
You ready to do it?
I'm ready.
Hopefully you guys can hear us. I don't see any responses yet if you can hear us or not. But I know there's like a delay. Ooh, a letter.
Ooh, there's a letter inside.
Starts with congratulations. It's on Siser letterhead, so that's pretty fun right there.
Yeah, that is pretty fun. So, already nicely packaged. Nice letter.
Let's see what the letter says.
There's the letter.
Congratulations, you've won the Siser new Easy Pattern HTV prize pack. We hope you enjoy this assortment of Siser products. If you have any questions regarding the application of these products, please visit our website, blah, blah, or use the app, etc., etc. We invite you to join us if you're not already a member of our Facebook group, community of creators. See if there's anything else interesting. Helpful tutorials and YouTube channel, blog. So yeah, Siser North America is super active. So they are fun to follow. Thanks again for using Siser products and enjoy your winnings. Best wishes, Siser team.
There is quite a bit of vinyl here.
Count it.
So, this is the watercolor. Oh.
Is it, ooh, 2 pieces.
Oh, it is labeled. So there are multiple pieces. So this one is the Easy Patterns Watercolor Rainbow. This is one of the new ones that they just came out with.
So this is, okay, so the carrier sheet is on the back. So this is one that you would not mirror when cutting.
Yeah.
It's super thin though. So like, sometimes I expect the pattern stuff to be thicker. It is really thin, so that's going to go on really soft.
This is the Vintage Rose pattern.
2 of them also.
2 of them also. Very nice, very pretty.
I like it.
That was another one of them, I believe. And this is the Sunset Gradient.
I like that. I like them all.
Yeah.
So far, 2 pieces of each, which is nice. That way, when I mess it up, we'll have a backup. Happens.
Yeah.
See, I knew there was going to be some fall stuff in here. I'm excited.
So these are the fall patterns that were their limited time, limited run fall seasonal patterns. They may have some still available. I don't know when they'll stop. But this is the Falling Leaves.
1 or 2?
There's just one of that one.
1. It's thin also. They're all really thin.
Oh, they're all really thin. Which is nice because that gives a really
acorns.
good soft feel on the...
There's like little acorns inside those leaves. Can you guys see that? There's like cute little acorns. Reminds me of Alvin and the Chipmunks.
And then we have the lovely Buffalo Plaid Orange. I love that one. This one's really super cute. That is Jack-o'-lanterns. Just a whole bunch of faces. That is super pretty. This is a orange glaze. So that's
That's cool.
Yeah, and that's the other one that they did for this seasonal. So it looks like we got the new patterns that they just came out with, and
A couple of
the
falls.
4 fall seasonal patterns that they did for the year.
And then it looks like they gave us some of the TTD high tack mask.
Yeah.
So that's with the printed vinyls, the style that you don't mirror. You have to have these masks. It's basically gonna, in the end, work as your carrier sheet. So after you cut these and weed them, you move it onto these masks the same way you do with transfer tape with permanent adhesive. So, like, you'll peel the white off of these mask sheets, put it down onto this, and then kind of flip it over and peel it off. And then that works as your carrier sheet to go to your heat press.
Yep.
So, how many of those do we get?
There are 10 to match.
Nice. 10 and 10.
10 and 10.
Well, that's cool.
Thank
Enter
you.
a contest, and they
Yeah.
they went live and said your name, and
Yeah.
that's pretty cool. We'll have to figure out what designs to cut with these. I like that the there's the jack-o'-lantern, but the 3 other fall ones are pretty universal, so like can definitely stretch that into Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
And then the other ones, they're pretty light colored, so it's like he said, they're gonna be part of their mainstream patterned options. But because some of them are lighter, I'm thinking spring. I'm thinking they're gonna be some awesome spring designs.
Yep.
So we've got 2 sheets of the Sunset Gradient. We've got 2 sheets of the Vintage Rose. So hold that closer because that's a smaller print. 2 sheets of the stickers are on the back, Watercolor Rainbow. So that's their 2 sheets of. It's their 3 new patterned vinyls for their main line. And then we got 4 different...
1 each of the fall patterns that are a limited run.
So orange glaze, jack-o'-lanterns, and that's a pretty small... They're pretty small on there.
Yeah, the jack-o'-lantern faces are really small.
This is a buffalo plaid orange, and it's the 0.4 for the size of the squares for the buffalo plaid. And then this one's called Falling Leaves. It also has some acorns
So
in
I'll
it.
get really close up on there. You can see the acorns in between the leaves. It's a really nice one.
Alright.
Thank you for joining us today and watching us go through the Siser Easy Patterns prize pack.
If you enjoyed it, please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Happy crafting!